showcase their creativity, skills, and talent. It's a grand occasion to showcase the hard work, creativity, and dedication of all the students and teachers who have worked tirelessly throughout the year. Today, we celebrate the culmination of their efforts with a series of vibrant performance and displays of talent.
ಹೇ ಶಾರದಾ ಮಾತೆ, ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರ ಪುರವಾಸಿನಿ, ನಾವು ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸುವೆವು. ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ಕರುಣಿಸು ತಾಯಿ. ಇಂತಹ ಮಾತೆಯಾದ ಸರಸ್ವತಿಯನ್ನು ಹಾಡಿನ ಮೂಲಕ ಕೊಂಡಾಡಲು ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ 9ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು.
ವಿವೇಕವಾಣಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ಜೀವಾಳ ಧರ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಎಂಬ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತವನ್ನು ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದರಿಂದ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಪ್ರಚಂಡ ಇಚ್ಛಾಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಬಹುದು.
You have to grow from the inside out. None can teach you, none can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul. This is a very inspiring quote by Swami Vivekananda to make you realize your own potential. Vivekananda Vidyavardhaka Sangha Puttur, formerly known as Puttur Education Society, was established on 23rd of December 1915. For the past 96 years, Vidyavardhaka Sangha has been the forerunner in the field of education in the coastal region of Karnataka. It is committed to impart quality education by maintaining high standards of discipline, sense of duty, and moral values among the students, and to inculcate faith and pride in Indian culture and tradition.
Jaya Jaya He Bhagavati Surabharati Tava Charano Pranama.
Wow, it was fantastic. Let us appreciate this mesmerizing performance by clapping.